Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're having a little watch party, little breakout live stream for Bitcoin as it approaches all-time highs and grinds below it. Let's see if it breaks out today. We're just having a look at the chart, staring at the chart. Very nice, very nice.
Or dumb.
Pump or dump?
Who knows?
Pump or dump?
Buy the dip. Sell everything and buy the dip.
I demand to know. Pump or dump?
I demand.
I demand to know.
Oh my god.
I demand.
Channel ruined.
Just kidding. Just having a little joke here. Just having a little joke.
Oh, it's ruining it.
As you can see, Bitcoin's sort of breaking out of this little continuation pattern that we've sort of developed this over the last day. So we've already got a new weekly all-time high. If you go on the weekly time frame, weekly closed on the closed on the 17th, new weekly all-time high, and also a new daily all-time high. If we go to Coinbase over here and have a look at the new daily all-time high, 64. What was it? We closed on a 64.3k, which was above the previous close of 63.588. Hang on. 60. Yeah, so it is high. We have 64 and then we have 63 over here.
Bitcoin to 100x.
The all-time high on Coinbase, all-time high is 64.899. Now it's a bit different for different exchanges. If you go on BitMEX, it's pinpoint accurate to 65k, and if you go on let's say Bitstamp, that is pinpoint 64.895, and Bybit, for you Bybit traders, that is 64.990. So it's basically around the 65k mark. For Coinbase, which is what I want to look at today, is 64.899. So just keep that in mind. 64.899. I might draw a little line here, just to accentuate that. 64.8. Let's see how close I can get it. I can get it to 64.9. It's pretty close enough. Likely bring it back down, retest the breakout zone at 62.811 before continuing upwards. In the process, taking out a lot of stops for people who went long and people who went short as well, getting people to go short and then taking their stops out. So it's time to be cautious, but all in all, it does look very, very good. Breaking out of the ascending triangle yesterday on the news of Bitcoin ETF Bito launching. If you want to have a look at Bito, have a look at the launch behavior. What we saw was the second that it launched, it started coming up to this $42 mark from a $40. What was it? It was listed at $40 and it went up to 42, then crashed down all the way down to 40, back to 40. Actually, I think it was listed at 41. Yeah, listed at 41. Went to 42, went to 40, back to 40, back to 41, then down to 40. Now it's heading back to 42, which is where the highest point it went to when it launched. So I have a feeling that once we break this price, we probably will see further continuation to the upside. Just a theory. You can take that as you will. But yeah, until then, it's a waiting game till New York Open in half an hour and US Open in about 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Choice to make.
Well,
Pump or dump?
pump or dump?
Just say Just say that for 7 minutes till New York opens.
We got my brother next to me. He's very excited.
Tell him about the top 3 trader videos.
Top 3. So, recently we had a top 3 trader video, a little bit of a short video, not like the weekly market updates that I've been doing. So my brother's been posting some short, informative videos. I think it's worth checking out. Especially some of the traders that he's been watching them for quite some time, and he actually had his own crypto trading channel back in 2017. So I think he knows what to look out for in terms of people who are full of shit and people who aren't.
Block producer.
Oh yeah, he also ran an EOS block producing company. So I think he's pretty good at vetting traders and people who are business savvy.
You know, like I was like invited to like Canberra, and like I had to do a speech in front of like ATO people about crypto.
ATO
for EOS, like how it was the decentralized future. And
Oh my
I sold
God.
them all on delegated proof of stake. And so many people giving me their business cards, like, I'd really like to talk to you about some crypto. I'm like, you have no idea.
Oh man, yeah. I mean, back in 2017, like crypto was such a new thing. Barely anyone knew about it. I remember in 2018, like
Such a scammy scene.
it really was. It really was. Like, oh man, before the big dump in early 2018, like I worked at I'm not gonna call that the company, but it was a company doing direct sales as independent contractors. So pretty much that they were running like a charity raffle.
The old MLM.
The old multi-level marketing.
The old BitConnect.
Yeah, and in the mornings they'd have like, what was it? They'd have like meetings where they teach you about like sales strategies.
Yeah.
Actually pretty good. But one of the mornings, like they mentioned something about like, no, it was one of the sessions. It was like an optional session. They invited me to like a talk about Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
And by that time, I'd been investing in Bitcoin like 6 months prior. So when they started talking about Bitcoin, like all the decentralized shit, I already knew what they were on about, and I knew how full of shit they were. Once they weren't trying to sell you on Bitcoin. They're trying to sell you on like this Bitcoin sharing mining program, right? Which you sort of you buy into monthly, where it's like they make it hyped up like, oh, Bitcoin mining is the future and you can make so much more money with that, which you probably can, but they want you to invest in a Bitcoin mining scheme pretty much.
Why do they have to call it a scheme?
So you don't actually get any Bitcoin from it, you just get the payout from it. Allegedly.
Tell your listeners the only scheme you should be invested in is the buy the dip scheme.
That's exactly right. You should only invest in the buy the dip scheme.
Buy the fucking dip scheme.
The only
just get
scheme.
a shirt that just says buy the fucking dip scheme.
Buy the fucking dip. It's we're gonna get a shirt called Just Hodl It.
I like buy the dip scheme as a shirt.
Buy the dip scheme. Buy the dip scheme.
When Bitcoin pumps, sell it to your friends and family, and then buy it off them.
Buy the dip. Yeah, Bitcoin's, it's really hesitating right here. I do think that, I think that we might actually just continue going up.
That could have been the pullback, man. That pullback to the EMA on the 1 minute, that could be it.
It's possible, man. Like, we've already broken out of the ascending triangle yesterday, but this is just continuation.
Looks like we're gonna go and recover this wick right now, and then break it.
You know, we have broken up before New York opens before. Like a preemptive move.
Veto. Have a little exquisite veto.
We just had a look at Beto, but we can have another look.
Beta actually recovered. I was surprised. Last night it dumped and then just went back to the price it opened at.
So, this is not a good chart to look at beta on. We'll look at beta on fresh chart. So, beta. Let's look at minute by minute. So beta hasn't been around for a whole lot of time. It just launched last night, really. So it started to launch at around, what was it? Started it at $40.99, $41. Took a peak at around, what is that? $42.
Do you know what beta is? Or do you have to explain? I don't know if
I
they
think
know yet. It's too new.
I did mention it on the. I did talk about it on the weekly update, but Beta is the new Bitcoin ETF. It is a ProShares ETF based on futures. So it's a futures ETF that basically tracks the percentage increase and decrease of Bitcoins. As you can see, it's currently trading at around 41.94, which is basically it's not the same price number as you see on Bitcoin, which is around 64k, but every 1% Bitcoin moves, this also moves 1%. So the price differences you won't see are you'll see the much smaller, but the percentage is meant to be correlated, right? And it's based off the CME prices. So if you look at CME futures, it's based off this. So if you look up BTC 1 exclamation mark on TradingView, it's based off the same thing. So, yeah, we are approaching the all-time highs on Beta. So this is the listing pump, right? And we are approaching that. So if we do break that, I'd say it's pretty. It looks like a good amount of continuation up ahead. Although if we do stop here, that might be a sign that we will come back down. But we'd have to see we'd have to really see it come below 40 to confirm that. If we do go below 40 after topping out around about here, then I think that's a sign to expect some sort of retracement on a larger time frame. I'm just looking at the 1 minute right here, which is a bit crazy, but if you look in the 1 hour, probably at least a 1 hour retracement if we do pop below 40, I'd say. How much of a retracement would we get? Well, let's have a look at some of our moving averages. Let's see, moving averages. Right, so if we go to the 1 hourly, well, it looks like we've already hit the yellow one. So yeah, if we, so New York. Actually, I think it's US. US has just opened. The US market. We are still waiting 29 minutes for New York to open. So yeah, I'd expect somewhere around the yellow 21 exponential moving average to be hit if we do see that retracement on Baidu. To 62.6k.
Interesting. Right now they're just holding the daily open.
Yeah, we've just popped above it.
We just went and reached yesterday's high, and we're trading between yesterday's high and the daily open.
Yeah, we've reached yesterday's high and we've popped above it and getting some support.
If we go above it, it's gonna pump.
Oh, we have just gone above it. We've gone above.
We went back down. That was a wick. I mean, if we do it one more time, it's a pump.
No, we're holding right above it. I guess it depends on what exchange you're looking at. If you're looking at Coinbase, we've also gone above it, wicked below it, and come back above, and now retesting it for the second time. Same on BitMEX. Let's check out CME. CME we are way above. What about Bybit. Bybit, we also way above. Okay, well, does look pretty good.
On this move.
Fear and greed is way up at an 82.
comes a red vector dump. Comes a little wiki. Comes a Wikipedia. Oh, that was the dump.
Oh yeah. Let's go the 1 minute. Let's give it. Oh,
Look at that dump.
oh
celebrity
God. Oh
edit.
my God. Oh my God.
Abort.
Oh.
Abort.
Oh my God, young little Wojak trader. He bought the top and he's been going down. He's been watching this whole drop.
Some
Little
poor
Wojak,
soul long the top
little
wick.
little Wojak, little crypto Wojak. He
Damn
bought
it,
the
I
top.
should've long bought this
He's
nice.
down 0.44%, but he's 100x leverage long, so he's been liquidated.
I'm getting ready for long more.
He's been watching this drop. Oh, it's cataclysmic.
It's looking boo-boo-licious. Nope, haven't seen your phone, Mark. Just long more.
Tom, I just realized I gave you my email. I don't know if it was. Wait, I think I muted it. I think I muted it for the stream.
I don't think you have enough people.
Yeah, I don't think anyone cares to.
Who is gonna email you with what?
Well, I don't know, man.
Oh, look at the pump. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Yeah, it really just might break out now.
Rick. I
It's
need you to
very
shove it up
possible.
your ass, Morty.
It's very possible. It's entirely possible.
Oh, bro. Look at the prize. Fuck.
It's entirely possible.
Bro, look at the 15-minute wick and tell me that that's not bullish.
Oh my God, my brother's commentary is just hilarious.
Man, close your eyes and buy the dip. Tell him to stream my song, man. Tell him to pay.
We're gonna play a little bit of fresh music. Some very peaceful vibes for this breakout.
Oh.
Very peaceful vibes.
That's because we already established our longs. We're not trying to long the breakout like a noob.
Well, we did long the breakout. We
No,
longed
we longed
here.
yesterday's breakout.
We
Not
longed
today.
here. Not today. Today's just continuation. There's no pattern to speak of. If you're a pattern trader.
US Brinks just opened, Edward.
Oh man, yeah. This is. Yeah, I think it's just gonna go up from here. Like this. Like if we see a big wick, it might cut down. It might just take out this and then just continue up. If not, it's just clear skies ahead.
Maybe they'll do one more wick to destroy some other new breakout traders, come back down and then do it one last time.
Oh god, that would just be brutal.
That's so
That would be
brutal.
completely brutal.
That's just my opportunity to long more.
So all-time highs right here. That's it.
Call it, Edward. Call it with confidence.
I'm calling it. I'm calling it. We're gonna hit all-time highs today. All-time highs today.
You're gonna either eat your words.
I'm calling it. All the momentum's up.
It's only $300 away.
It's only like what? You're right. It's only like $300 away. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, we've got the confluence. We've got the bull moon. We've got the reapproach to all-time highs, and we've got the breaking out of this ascending triangle and the 1 hour. We've got all the moving averages. Just shouting continuation. Do we have any divergence to speak of?
I don't know, you gotta look for yourself. What?
Let's have a look. See any divergence. Oh wait. Let's look at the weekly time frame for divergence. So we have what is this? A higher, lower. Oh, okay. Right. So if we do top out here, we have a higher high on price action, but we will have a lower high on the RSI. So that will be bearish divergence.
I'm just gonna comment first.
But also, bearish divergence will require price action to complete a high here, which would probably need like it to retrace by like $15,000. So good luck. Good luck with that.
Check your YouTube comments on your stream.
Comments. First, when moon. When moon.
I was told there would be a moon.
I have to open. Up. Oh, okay. Well, hello. We're mooning right now, kind sir. We're mooning right now.
Truly.
Right now. Truly right now. This is it. This is it, Tom.
I don't believe you. I'm going to enter a short.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Actually, to be honest, if you were actually going to enter a short, this would be the short opportunity with a very tight stop.
Yeah, you would put a...
But
well,
you'd have to have some major balls.
I think you'd want to wait till like it gets a little bit higher. But yeah, you would put a short entry and a stop like right above.
Previous week.
Short position. Boom. Something like that.
I mean, like, if you entered a short just then, you would have been profitable.
Well, yeah. Yeah, but you know, there's nothing really telling me that it's gonna go down.
Yeah,
I mean, even on the 1 minute, like it just looks like continuation. Yeah. So where would you short it to? Where would you short it to?
the EMA, if you're lucky enough.
Yeah, if you're lucky. If you're lucky. No. This is where you short it to. You short it to what is it? Short it to. We're shorted. We're shorted. We're shorted.
We're
All.
short in the top.
We're
Caught
short.
the
Caught
top.
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 We're shorting to $0. $0.
Short -$2.
Short it to.
The move is gonna be so violent, it's gonna go sub-zero.
We're going sub-zero. Sub-zero. Oh, sub-zero with a 126% move.
126% short move.
Percent short.
My shorts are exploding right now.
Based off my Elliott wave analysis, BTC is going back to $0.
Based off my random YouTuber trader analysis.
Based off my the bearish divergence I see on the RSI that has not yet been confirmed.
Based on the Wojak memes.
Based off Wojak, just complete Wojak, is wrecked traders. Everyone wrecked. Everyone's mad bullish.
Far out, they are slow today.
Man, I gotta play that song again. That's sick.
Play it on repeat. That's what CryptoFace does.
I don't think I can play it on repeat.
What kind of computer doesn't even have a repeat function?
This is your computer, Tom.
Hey, get off there. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Let's see if I can download it.
Illegally downloading my song. You owe me money. And downloading music illegally is a crime.
You wouldn't steal a car, would you?
You wouldn't steal a Bitcoin, would you? I think most people would steal a Bitcoin.
Steal it. I know you would.
If someone gave me a Bitcoin, they're not getting it back.
Man, I think all the scammers on all the crypto trading channels and chats, I think that's evidence that someone would steal a Bitcoin.
You wouldn't steal a car, but you would steal
You
a
wouldn't steal a
Bitcoin.
car, but you would steal a Bitcoin. You know, have you seen those scam ads with like they put on like Elon Musk or like
Credibility.
yeah, Elon Musk or like Jeff Bezos or something, and they have like a stream with him, and they're like on the stream on YouTube it says donate your BTC to this account to double it.
Oh god.
It was send back double. That is the biggest freaking scam alert right there.
Scam times a million.
That was the biggest scam. Like I saw that scam in like mid 2020. Like I saw that and I actually clicked on it because I was half asleep. I was like, what? Elon Musk is in Bitcoin now. I clicked on it and then I read the fine print. It was like send like 0.05 BTC to double your BTC. Send like 0.1 BTC to triple your BTC. Send one whole BTC to 10x your BTC. We'll send it back to you. Like, what the fuck is this?
Oh my god, what a scam ever.
I was like, what is this greed they are tapping into? Like,
Take this moment to announce that you can double people's BTC.
I can double your BTC from pump or dump.
Either way, it doesn't matter the direction.
It's just either way. Either way, it's pump and dump.
Dude, I feel like you need to go download Pump and Dump Wars on mobile gaming.
Pump? That's a thing?
Yeah, go
That can't be a thing.
Show people.
That-
There's a game called Pump and Dump Wars, but I think it's like a war game. I don't know what game it is.
You're kidding.
There's a game called
What the fuck? What is this shit? Long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, peace and prosperity prevailed on Pump Dump World. The Republic of Hamster Nation was blooming.
This game is designed for you.
The population was growing, their tokens were mooning, and they grew long and healthy fur. Tokens, both fungible and non-fungible, were abundant and available for everyone. Yet not everyone was happy in such a world. What the hell is this? Oh, it's like
a current world.
what in the oh man, this is not PG. This is not parental guidance. Guidance required.
Wait, is that a
Parental
porno?
parental content.
They have NFTs.
Yeah, it's an NFT based I think
You're gonna get
collectible trading
demonetized.
game. Wow, I didn't know this was a thing. Yeah, okay, parental guidance required.
Not allowed to look at NFT titties, are we?
Calm your farm, man. Calm your farm. Alright, we're 4 minutes out from New York Open. 4 minutes out. Let's have a little prayer to Crypto Wojak over here. Crypto Wojak. Oh yes, Crypto Wojak feeling good today. He's been hodling. He's been hodling the dip. He bought the dip.
Green eggs and ham.
Yeah, he bought the top and then he's just kept buying. He bought the top and he kept buying on the dip. And look at him now. Look at Crypto Wojak. He's a happy man. Happy camper.
He's green because he has money.
Happy camper. Look, Crypto Wojak. Oh, jeez, Crypto Wojak's been hitting the gym lately. Oh my goodness. Oh,
Making it rain. That should be the thumbnail for today's stream.
Crypto Wojak. My goodness. My goodness.
Shaking the bull.
He's getting paid out today, Crypto
Man, I'm getting
Wojak.
bored. What is this market doing? Hurry up and moon already. Jesus. Why you gotta like cock tease for?
Pump or dump? Now! I demand to know. Now! I demand to pump or dump.
That's the only reason we're here.
Pump or dump immediate. Instant. Instant.
And how funny was my mate Berwin told you he sold too early. That was the guy I told you.
Poor Berwin, man. Poor
I
Berwin.
told him to buy back in. I don't know why he didn't listen.
I feel
Yeah,
for
tell
Berwin.
him the story.
I feel. Well, I don't know. I feel like you'd be better at telling it.
Nah, just tell him.
Well, okay. So from what I heard, Berwin bought in crypto in early
Don't say
2020.
how much, but he bought in at 42k. Then he sold at 50.
42,000 and sold at 50.
That's a good trade. That was very profitable.
Great trade. Great trade. And then it dipped after that, didn't it?
Yeah, it dipped back to 42k. I messaged him. I said, time to rebuy. And
So-
he never did.
So he bought it like 42, which is around here, and he sold up there. That's a pretty good move. That's a good trade. That's 15%, man, just on spot.
Yeah, but I told him to rebuy when it went back to 42, and he never listened to me.
And when it went to 42,
It was an even better trade.
oh my goodness.
I rest my
Oh
case.
my goodness. My poor man. I mean, from once he sold, that's only 28%. So
Nah, but like if he swung trade that the way I told him to, sell at 50, buy at 42, that's like gains plus extra gains.
well, we all know Bitcoin's gonna it's heading up. It's heading up to so that's nothing compared to the move we're about to see. Actually, no, it's quite substantial. Actually, that was quite a substantial move from 40k, 42k.
That's a huge move.
That's
Look at
55%. My
that.
golly,
Holy moly.
my golly.
People are afraid of a 50% pullback, but not afraid of a 50% pump.
Precisely.
Well, we're slowly inching our balls across the finish line, Edwin.
The white line's so close.
This is why I'm not allowed to stream. We're slowly inching the balls across.
Oh my god, what is... Ruin the channel. Ruin the channel. It's doomed. Alright, well... we're $380 away.
Right now, the left ball is across the finish line, and we're just trying to drag the right ball across.
Oh my god. Alright. So what I've noticed is when we get sort of wicks like these, we tend to really recover that wick. So we have a... let's look at a normal chart.
Just look like previous price action. You can
15
show
minute.
people all the recovery.
Yeah, so we have this mini pump here, right? From 64,364 to 64,644. That's about what, $300 move. So what I've noticed is that when we get this big volume coming in on this one candle, we tend to retrace, right? And then when we wick back down, we retrace back up to the start of the candle, and that's when we either continue up or continue down, right? Usually with breakouts, it's kind of just like that. Like we'd wick up, wick down, have a low volume retrace, and then either continuation. So in this case, we wicked up, we wicked down, and then had a little volume retrace, and then continuation. It's everywhere. That move is everywhere. If you look at all the wicks, we do reapproach the wicks. Look at big volume up, lower volume, come back, and then continuation. It's just how it is.
Some of the alts are pumping. Dot's pumping.
Oh yeah, Dot, Solana.
Solana. Oh, I should have long Dot and Solana.
So have you heard of Dot's parachains coming out?
No.
Dot's got some big news about parachains coming out, I think, later this week.
What is a parachain?
Well, let's just have a look. I'm pretty sure parachain allows interoperability between blockchains.
Oh, true.
So,
Why don't they just say that?
parachain dots. Parachain auctions. What is a dot parachain? Custom specific blockchains integrated within the Polkadot and Kusama network. Parachains are customized for any number of use cases and feed into the main blockchain called the relay chain, and is the heart of Polkadot and Kusama networks.
I don't know any of that shit. Oh, here comes another mini pump just to tease us a little further.
It's just the low volume retrace, Tom.
Oh my god, my dot is up 104% from dollar cost averaging. What kind of gains is this?
Oh my god, Solana. She's moving. Moving again.
Damn it, didn't work.
There you go.
Didn't
Oh
help.
man, 137, 138. That would have been the buy of a lifetime, man.
It didn't have the balls to long Solana when it was lagging.
Oh, went all the way down to 116. Yeah, so it's kind of interesting when we hit these psychological numbers of like 200, we get that massive retracement all the way back down to the next psychological number, 100. So that would have been a really, really good trade. Sell the top 200, buy it back at 100.
bullish.
We've broken above the all-time high for Bider.
This is what Carl from the moon is saying.
Don't see what Carl from the moon is saying. He's absolute trash. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Just kidding, but my trades are honestly exploding by the
Oh god. Oh god. I've heard enough. RSI analysis. So we've broken out of this little pattern here, and we are retesting on support on the 1 hour RSI for Bitcoin, which is extremely bullish. What else? We've broken out of the 4 hour RSI channel yesterday. Same here with Ethereum. It's just continuation. Looking like very, very good. Looking very, very good. If anything, Ethereum is in a massive ascending triangle. Like massive. And we break out here, so it looks like clear skies ahead. Oh, here we come! Pump?
Recovered perfectly to win.
1 minute pump or dump?
As predicted. Oh, bro!
Oh my god!
Oh my
we're
god!
hit! We've broken all-time highs! All-time highs! Crypto, Wojak. Oh, they're wicking it. They're wicking it as expected. Oh, Crypto Wojak is back in business.
Oh my
Back
God.
in business. Crypto Wojak.
Bro, it broke it so convincingly.
Crypto Wojak is back.
High five for calling the top. You called it on stream. Tell everyone.
I called it. I literally called it. So anyone who traded that, like, oh my god, the Rickaroonies, unbelievable. But anyone who called that and
oh, I just hit my take profit. I was wondering where my profit went.
oh yeah, true. I think I've hit mine as well.
I have a bunch of stacks.
Very good. Very good.
Oh, nice. It hit both my take profits and I lost more as well.
Jesus, look at that. Look at that wick. Wick on both sides.
Bro,
On the 15-minute time frame. Right back to the moving average. Very, very good. So, yeah, broken new all-time highs. Extremely bullish. We'll like to see continuation from here.
Oh my gosh, I might have to get rid of some of my take profits.
Alright, well, thank you for attending the stream. I called it on stream, guys. Called it on stream. Literally on the dot. Did I not say New York Open was likely to be the moment? On the hour, guys. So